In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept an invite on Trello. Whether you're new to Trello or simply looking to ensure you're up to speed with the invite process, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, the initial step on your journey to accepting a Trello invitation is to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Trello website. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing your tasks and projects, accessible from virtually anywhere you have internet access. Once you are on the Trello homepage, take a moment to appreciate the clean and user-friendly interface designed to keep your productivity on track. Once you're on the site, the next thing you need to do is log in. Look towards the top right corner and you'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Doing so will take you to a login page where you'll need to enter your credentials to gain access to your Trello account. If you have previously saved your information in your browser, the process can be even quicker. But in case you haven't, don't worry. Just enter your email and password or use any of the alternative login options available. After successfully logging in, you should find yourself in your personal Trello workspace. It's here where all your boards and workspaces are neatly stored, waiting for you to navigate through. A quick tip, if you manage or participate in multiple workspaces, they should all be visible here, allowing you easy access. Now let's proceed to the area you need to focus on for accepting invitations, the notifications area. Scanning the top right corner of your screen again, you'll notice a bell icon. This is where all your Trello notifications reside. These are essential as they keep you updated, signaling when someone invites you to join a board or workspace. When you click on the bell icon, a drop-down menu will appear showing a list of your recent notifications. Within this list, look out for an invitation notification. It should be straightforward to spot. There you'll see details of the board or workspace you're being invited to. Typically, alongside the invitation, there's a clear option to accept or join. Click on it, and with that you have successfully accepted the invite, granting you access to the new board or workspace. And there you have it. You've now learned how to accept an invite on Trello, allowing you to join collaborations and maximize productivity with your team. Remember, understanding these basic navigation steps can significantly enhance your user experience, making Trello an even more powerful tool for managing your projects. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.